welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Wendy and welcome to Will's Mountain Homestead. In 2023, over the course of the first few months, I'm going to do something a little bit different because I do not have a winter garden and I don't really do a whole lot of canning unless we get a deer or we have things in bulk that need to be preserved. So for the first couple of months, I'm going to be providing you with meal planning on a budget using pantry staples, using what you have and the basics. From what I have read and heard, January and February are going to be pretty challenging for quite a few families. Layoffs are coming, and I know from personal experience what it's like to lose your job. Over 10 years ago, I lost mine and it was in the financial sector. And even though I knew it was coming, it was still a shock to my husband and I financially and emotionally as well. And as much as you can be prepared for it or you think you're prepared for it, there's still anxiety that is attached with it. So my goal is to provide you with meal plans that are affordable. Now, I know what you're going to say. Every time I go to the store, the prices just keep going up and up and up and up. So what I have done is in this video, down in the description, I have put a printable. And that printable is a basic pantry list. It's what I think is a good pantry list. You may not even like it, and that's okay. There is room for you to add ingredients to that if there are things on there that maybe I didn't include. And tax time is coming up. If you can budget yourself within your tax refund, if you get a refund, to set aside maybe $100 or $200 out of that and go stock up on essentials to develop your own basic pantry. When it comes time to budget your meals out for the week, you're going to be able to trim off a lot of your grocery expense because you already have those pantry staples at home. So my meal plans are designed to cook at home. They are designed to help with inflation. They are designed to be healthy. Now, mind you, I am not a dietitian by any means. I am a nurse. But that does not give me the qualifications to say that macaroni and cheese is a well-balanced meal, because it's not. So, by the way, we don't eat that a whole lot here. But you're going to find that cooking at home does save you a ton of money. I am going to be providing videos on how to make the basics. I already have 2 out right now, one on how to make crusty bread, and one on how to make mayonnaise out of aquafaba or the liquid in a can of chickpeas. And normally your basic mayonnaise is made with eggs. Well, with the price of eggs going through the roof, mayonnaise is going to go through the roof too because they have eggs in them. So you're going to see that comparison side by side. But if you can learn to make that at home and on your own, you're going to save yourself a ton of money. So I'm going to provide you with tips and tricks. I'm going to show you all the prep work that I do for each meal. I did the first week already, and I took my daughter with me to the grocery store. She had the calculator, and I think she was more stressed out about it than I was, to be quite honest. But it was a good learning experience for her to see that, yes, you can eat if you keep yourself in a budget. You can do it. You just have to be creative with it. And hopefully I can share with you a little bit of my creativity and tricks that I have learned along the way in the past 7-8 years to be able to stretch your dollar. So stick with me. Each week is going to be a new meal plan. I'm going to come up with one every Friday. And in the description of each video, you're going to find a printable. Now that printable is going to be your golden ticket because it's going to have your grocery list. It's going to have on there what the meal plans are. It's going to have what prep work you need to do, and any notes that I have made down below will be in there for you. So I hope you enjoy these. If you find yourself in a situation where food insecurity is an issue for you, please reach out, get assistance. There is no shame in asking for help. Contact your local churches. Our communities, at least around here, we have food banks and food pantries, and there is also state assistance. So please make sure that you're reaching and utilizing the services that are available to you within your community. Let me know down in the comment section below if there's anything that you would like to see, any foods that you would like to have incorporated in that, and I can try and do that in later videos for you. So thank you for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed this series, and again, it's probably going to run maybe 2.5 months because middle of March is whenever I start planting. Happy New Year to all of you. Good luck, best wishes, and please follow me through this journey, and I hope I can help you and your family stick to a budgeted meal plan. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.